The very subject of Saturn in 12 houses is like a vast forest. It cannot be shared in one book, though I have tried to give you all the essence, the feel of it. Just one house placement is not enough to reveal the whole essence of Saturn. Along with that one house, there are many factors that will be taken into consideration while revealing Saturn placements. I prostrate before Shanidev, Lord Saturn, and pray to him of his grace for all my followers and readers who are going through difficult times. I want to help them realize that difficulties are to make them more aware, to help them mature, to make them special, to wake them up. Remember, this pain is not to make you sad. Remember, that's where people go on missing. This pain is just to make you more alert, because people become alert only when the arrow goes deep into their heart and wounds them. Saturn and the pain that Saturn brings is not to hurt you, but simply to make you conscious of your actions. The whole process of Saturn is cleansing your karma. It is a deep subject, and this special book is specifically only for my insightful followers and readers. Sri Yukteswar Giri, the Guru of Paramahamsa Yogananda, always used to say that the book that we write should always fall in the right hands. I also pray to God that this new book on Saturn reaches to those who deserve and falls in the right hand. And at this moment, since today is Saturday itself, I would like to recite the beautiful holy mantra of Lord Saturn. Om Sham Shaneshwaraya Namaha. Om Sham Shaneshwaraya Namaha. Om Sham Shaneshwaraya Namaha. I love Saturn, and so it is natural that all those who love Saturn by default are attracted towards me, because that is how the universal law is. Good connects with the good, and that too without any introduction, without a single spoken word. I prostrate before the most intelligent, cautious, alert bird, the bird that is black in shade, yet it is the most favorite bird of Lord Saturn, the clever, cautious crow. And he comes every day on my terrace. Slowly, he has started to come with many more friends of his. More crows coming and in a way blessing me by having the grand feast that I share with them. Love knows no color, no caste, no religion. When you love, you simply love. And so now with love, I share with you all the true essence of Saturn from a spiritual perspective. I am certain that along with Saturn, all my readers' love is also with me as I start decoding Saturn page by page as this wonderful journey of sharing and caring continues. Today, the first set of new book Saturn has arrived. Fresh copies, and now I will be sending those to all those fortunate readers who have placed order for my book Saturn Demystified Spiritually. I am certain that this book will guide them, will help them to overcome the many difficulties of their life. God bless them. Saturn bless them. Jai Shanidev. Jai Guru.